Battlefield of the future, where machines take the front line. Imagine a battlefield teeming with advanced robots. These aren't the clunky robots of science fiction. These are agile, lethal machines powered by artificial intelligence. They are the new warriors, the AI super soldiers. The evolution of warfare has always been driven by technology. From gunpowder to nuclear weapons, each leap forward has brought about a profound change in how wars are fought. Today, we stand on the precipice of another such revolution spearheaded by AI and robotics. Gone are the days of human soldiers facing each other across a battlefield. In their place, autonomous drones will take to the skies, scanning the terrain for enemy movement. On the ground, quadrupedal robots will navigate the rubble of destroyed cities, analyzing threats and making split-second decisions. This is the future of warfare, a future where machines, not humans, occupy the front lines. This transformation raises important ethical and philosophical questions that we, as a society, must grapple with.
The transition to AI-powered warfare is already underway. Militaries around the world are investing heavily in robotics and autonomous systems. Drones, once a novelty, have become commonplace, used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and even targeted strikes. These unmanned aerial vehicles are becoming increasingly sophisticated, equipped with advanced sensors, and the ability to operate autonomously. But drones are just the tip of the iceberg. On the ground, quadrupedal robots are being developed for a variety of military applications. These robots, often resembling dogs, are designed to navigate complex terrain, carry supplies, and even engage in combat. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and potentially even weapons, these mechanical beasts represent a new breed of soldier. AI algorithms are being developed to analyze vast amounts of data, identify targets, and even predict enemy movements. Imagine a system that can sift through hours of surveillance footage, pinpoint potential threats, and alert human commanders in real time. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, it is crucial that we proceed with caution, mindful of the potential risks and ethical implications.
At the heart of this robotic revolution lie two intertwined technologies: artificial intelligence and neural networks. AI, in its essence, is the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Neural networks, inspired by the structure of the human brain, excel at pattern recognition and learning from data. Imagine a vast network of interconnected nodes, each representing a small unit of computation. As data flows through this network, the connections between nodes strengthen or weaken, allowing the network to learn and adapt. In the context of military robotics, AI and neural networks process sensor data, identify threats, and make decisions in real time. For instance, a drone equipped with AI could analyze footage, identify a hostile vehicle, and make the decision to engage, all without human intervention. This level of autonomy is made possible by AI algorithms learning from past data and adapting to new situations. The potential of AI in warfare extends far beyond the battlefield, giving military commanders a significant advantage.
Ethical crossroads. The dilemma of autonomous warfare. The increasing autonomy of these weapon systems raises profound ethical dilemmas. One of the most pressing concerns is the issue of accountability. If an autonomous drone makes a mistake and harms civilians, who is responsible? The programmer, the manufacturer, or the military commander? The lack of clear accountability raises serious ethical concerns. Another ethical concern is the potential for an AI arms race. As nations invest heavily in AI-powered weaponry, there is a risk that this technology could fall into the wrong hands. The use of AI in warfare also raises questions about the nature of conflict itself. These are not easy questions to answer, but they are questions that we must confront as we venture further into the uncharted territory of AI-powered warfare.
Beyond the battlefield AI's potential in humanitarian aid. While the use of AI in warfare raises significant ethical concerns, it is important to acknowledge the potential benefits of this technology in humanitarian aid and disaster relief. Imagine a swarm of autonomous drones deployed to a disaster zone, scanning for survivors trapped beneath rubble. These drones could relay real-time information to rescue workers, guiding them to those in need and potentially saving countless lives. AI-powered robots could be used to clear debris, deliver medical supplies, and even provide medical assistance in areas too dangerous for human first responders. By harnessing the power of AI, humanitarian organizations could respond to crises more effectively, deliver aid more efficiently, and ultimately, save more lives.
The future of warfare. A glimpse into tomorrow's battlefields. The future of warfare is undoubtedly intertwined with the evolution of AI and robotics. Drones, both aerial and underwater, will likely become ubiquitous, conducting reconnaissance, surveillance, and even targeted strikes with minimal human intervention. On the ground, quadrupedal robots will patrol borders, secure perimeters, and engage in urban warfare. Exoskeletons, worn by human soldiers, will augment their strength, endurance, and battlefield awareness. Cyber warfare will become increasingly sophisticated, with AI algorithms used to launch crippling attacks on enemy infrastructure. The battlefields of the future will not be confined to physical spaces. They will extend into the digital realm. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, it is crucial that we proceed with caution, guided by a clear understanding of both the potential benefits and the inherent risks.
We must foster international cooperation, working with other nations to establish norms and treaties that prevent an AI arms race and ensure the responsible use of this transformative technology. The future of warfare is being written today. By embracing a future-oriented mindset, fostering ethical dialogue, and prioritizing human control, we can harness the power of AI and robotics to create a safer, more secure, and more peaceful world. S4. Media Group. Engineers working on autonomous drones, robotic weapons in a lab, military researchers with advanced robotics at its stock at it distribute _equally. We must establish ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of autonomous weapon systems, ensuring that human judgment remains firmly in control. We must invest in research and development not only to advance the capabilities of AI and robotics but also to understand and mitigate the potential risks. Narrator, Media Group, AI Research Facility, Military R&D Lab with Advanced Technology, scientists discussing AI risks and solutions at its stock at it distribute _equally. A call to action, preparing for the AI revolution in warfare. The rise of AI-powered warfare is not a distant threat. It is a reality that is unfolding before our very eyes.